Guys, for the longest of times, we've been talking about Bluetooth exhausts.
HP 踩一踩啊
Alright guys, that was just a bit of a joke. This is actually a Porsche Bluetooth speaker in the shape of an exhaust, and you can get this for free if you come over to Porsche Center Ara Damansara this weekend, Saturday and Sunday, and have a glance at the approved Porsche pre-owns that we have over here. If you made your booking, this is for you. Aren't you excited with all the cars? Let's go and have a look at them. Now these are low mileage, very new Porsches that has went through 100 over points of inspection. I tell you, you go into them, they are literally like new. The tires, the brakes, everything has been serviced up. Look at this one, this Cayenne with the EMP exclusive manufacturer program. Basically, it has body kits, special wheels, the smoke tail lamps, exhaust as well, the body kit and all that. Official price, 568,000 only. You can come here and just inspect every single detail because you know they are of a different grade when it comes to taking back cars and making sure they are perfect. And if you fancy lighter colors, look at this. Blue, gray, for him, for her. The interior, look at that. Look at this spec. Never would I have thought this type of baby blue, I'm sure that's not the official name, matches with this just nicely. The best part, it matches the color of the car. That's what Porsche does now. And this one, the specifications are fantastic as well. You have the Burmester speakers over here. And I just love the screen, the color. Really, if you do not know what car to upgrade to, right, going Porsche is never a wrong choice. This one is going for 688,000. The 911, 992, 1.198 million. See, the thing is this, I know there are used cars out there or whatnot. Now, when you buy from Porsche Malaysia and approved pre-owned from Porsche Malaysia, at least you will get 2 years of warranty. That means if the warranty is about to lapse, they will renew another 2 years for you, and you can have a peace of mind when you buy from here, okay? It's the Python Green 911. A very, very, very special color. I took off my watch, so any of you watching, don't worry if, you know, I mean, just to be on par with their standards, I take off my watch, all right? This is such a beautiful interior. And the stitching over here, the green stitching here, and the green stitching on the seats. Can you see that? Be mindful, Porsche Malaysia does not entertain any parallel import cars, okay? They want to keep the quality there, so buy something that is official. That Cayenne, that's a CBU Cayenne. Wow. They still have one over here. You have the matrix headlamps. This is the local assembly. There's a reason they are so popular, because they are luxurious, fast, they are comfortable, they are practical. Just look at that. This is the pre-facelift. Recently they launched a facelift, but still, one thing I like about Porsche is the build quality that they have. You know, everything is just so solid. And I love the buttons, the knobs and all that. It's amazing. If they spot anything, when they took back the car, they would have get it done, you know, the proper way, the official way. Now, if you don't fancy red color interiors, this in grey is also very hard wearing. You know, some people just don't like shouty colors. You see, even if you buy pre-owned, there are options. This is a CBU at only 538,000, and I'm seeing a lot of specs here. All right, 21-inch RS Spider wheels. Let's start the car. Oh, healthy. Look at that. This one has a panoramic roof, which the local CKD one doesn't have. check out when I close the doors. Soft close doors. And this one right under the light box is the Taycan Turbo S, like the top spec of Taycan. I love it that they murdered out the entire car. Look at the lights are black tinted, even the Taycan Turbo S font, especially when the wheels, you have that grey metallic, and it's sort of just, you thought it's a reflection, you know, but it's just so crazy. And of course, the other favorite, all right, the best compact SUV in the world, the Porsche Macan in this color. And if it is too bright for you, we have this one as well, smoked out tail lamps. And let's get inside. You can't see it, but the dials are in red. So this is also another option, right? The belts are in red as well. And I still love this interior with all the buttons, you know, lovely. And this one has a panoramic roof as well. Oh, see, the thing is this, when you buy from Porsche Malaysia, even if it is an approved pre-owned, you won't get things like, you know how some dealers out there, don't worry boss, I'll fix it for you. There's no such thing, right? Everything just works. This one almost have a full tank of fuel, and it's showing that I can go 690 km on this. Yeah, Porsche's 2-liter turbo engines are fantastic, powerful and efficient. Now, I'm sure a lot of you are globetrotters as well. You guys may be running all over. Nevertheless, if you are interested in any one of these, right, just go to Porsche Malaysia's website, all right? And then you go to Car Finder, and then you filter by approved pre-owned. You will see all the cars they have available, and they have just started this fantastic thing. Why? Because all these cars can be sold by any Porsche salespeople, be it in JB or Penang or in Central over here. So all these cars that are listed there, if any one of them interests you, you can actually look at the car, check through the specs, and then pay 1,000 ringgit to book it for 24 hours. You can actually book it for 1,000 ringgit only, and then someone from Porsche Malaysia will contact you and arrange the viewing for you. The reason you pay for that 1,000 booking is because nobody can sell the car after you booked it, all right? So that is a way of ensuring you'll be able to get it, because there are times whereby one person is looking at this, another person has sold it. So when you spotted one, that's the price you want, that's the mileage you want, and all of them are low mileage, all of them are low mileage, all right? So when you spotted them, you really want it, and then you just pay 1,000 ringgit booking online, they'll block it for you. But of course, the best thing is, if you stay around Central, come over to Porsche Ara Damansara this weekend, Saturday and Sunday, and it's a fantastic place because you get to see a lot more things. You can check out their lifestyle store as well. And of course, some very rare cars that is around here, all right? If you bring your car, whatever car you are driving, you can trade in to them as well. And if you trade in your car, you will get 1,000 ringgit voucher on Porsche lifestyle products. I tell you, Porsche lifestyle products are fantastic. Their jackets, their keychains, all these things are amazing, right? There's a cafe over there, fantastic F&B, coffee. The coffees are great here. And of course, you can check out all these because you're gonna be a Porsche owner soon, right? Keychains is a must. And if you wanna buy crazy stuff like that, you can too as well. And then inside here, look at that. This is beautiful. You have a friend having a newborn, you can buy this as a gift. I bought this for my colleague for his birthday, Thomas, that time. Something like that. His is the male version. This is the female section, I think. That is a sound bar. Only 67,000. All right, so guys, do come over to Porsche Center at Ara Damansara this weekend, Saturday and Sunday, and check out those limited units above, and of course, all these fantastic stuff. All right, see you.